Welcome to NexorFiles, where the darkest mysteries are brought to light. Tonight, we revisit a chilling case that haunted investigators for nearly 40 years. A story of 4 victims hidden inside steel drums, a serial killer who lived under many names, and a breakthrough in DNA that finally gave one little girl her name back. It was 1985, in the quiet woods of Bear Brook State Park in New Hampshire. A hunter stumbled upon something strange. A large steel drum, rusted and abandoned. Inside, the remains of a woman and a young girl. No names, no identities, just silence. For years, the case went nowhere. Then, in the year 2000, another hunter discovered a second steel drum. Inside were the remains of 2 more young girls. 4 victims, one terrifying connection. But who were they, and who had done this? Investigators tried everything: missing persons reports, forensic reconstructions, even composite sketches. Yet no one came forward. No family claimed them. The victims became known only as the Bear Brook victims. For decades, they remained faceless souls in America's cold case files. But technology caught up. With the rise of genetic genealogy, scientists at the DNA Doe Project began to piece together family trees, searching for genetic matches. Slowly, branches formed. Cousins, distant relatives, faint signals hidden in the code of life. And then, in 2025, the impossible happened. One of the victims was identified. Her name was Terry Rasmussen, a little girl whose life was stolen too soon, but whose identity had finally been restored. For investigators, this was a breakthrough moment. For her family, it was the end of a nightmare and the beginning of justice. All evidence pointed to one man, a drifter, a manipulator, a predator who lived under countless names, Terry Rasmussen. He became known as the Chameleon Killer. He slipped through towns and families, leaving broken lives behind. The Bear Brook victims were only part of his dark legacy. Rasmussen died in prison in 2010. But the shadows of his crimes still stretch across America. Even with DNA, the mystery is far from over. Who were the other 3 victims? Were they Rasmussen's own children? How many lives did he truly destroy? And how many families are still waiting to discover the truth? Each answer reveals another question. Each discovery uncovers another secret. This was NexorFiles, where unsolved crimes and hidden truths come alive. Subscribe and join us as we continue to dig deeper into the mysteries that refuse to die. Because in every shadow, there is a story. And in every story, there is a truth waiting to be found.